आज आपण फॅरेडेज लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन हे शिकणार आहोत. देर आर रिस्पेक्टिव्हली टू लॉज, फॅरेडेज फर्स्ट लॉ अँड फॅरेडेज सेकंड लॉ. हे दोन लॉ आपण शिकणार आहोत. फॅरेडेज फर्स्ट लॉ, त्याचे स्टेटमेंट: whenever there is change of magnetic flux in a closed circuit and induced EMF is produced in it. These are the Faraday's law. Whenever the change in magnetic flux linked with that circuit or coil, then induced EMF are produced in that circuit. By this induced EMF, the induced current passing through the circuit. These are the Faraday's first law. जहाँ whenever change the magnetic flux change झाले असतील, then there is the induced EMF, nothing but induced current is produced in that the circuit. These are the Faraday's first law. Already we have discussed the current are produced in the coils because change of magnetic flux. Otherwise, there is no produce the current in that the circuit. मग induced current produce होण्यासाठी the flux are responsible, but that flux should be changes. But this stated by the Faraday's. Whenever changing magnetic flux and that changing flux linked with that the coil or circuit, then the induced EMF are produced in that circuit. This is stated by the Faraday's, and it is the first Faraday's law or Faraday's first law's statements. Now Faraday's second law. In Faraday's second law gives the magnitude of the induced EMF in that circuit. Faraday's first law मध्ये how to produce the induced current or induced EMF. In second law मध्ये Faraday's gives the magnitude of the induced EMF. Its statements: the magnitude of induced EMF produced in the circuit is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the coil. These are the statements of the Faraday's second law. The magnitude of the induced EMF in the coil or circuit is directly proportional rate of change of magnetic flux linked with that the circuit. Means जितक्या प्रमाणात फ्लक्स चेंज झाले असतील तितक्याच प्रमाणात द EMF कॅन बी प्रोड्यूस इन दॅट सर्किट. जितक्या जास्त प्रमाणात द मॅक्झिमम अमाऊंट ऑफ द फ्लक्स आर चेंजेस, देन मॅक्झिमम करंट और इंड्यूस्ड EMF आर प्रोड्यूस इन दॅट द सर्किट और कॉइल. फ्लक्स कमी चेंज झाले असतील, देन देर इज द less amount of induced EMF in that circuit. Means this induced EMF is depend on the change of magnetic flux. But these are the second laws. The magnitude of induced EMF produced in the circuit or coil is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux linked with circuit. Now let us consider mathematically. Let phi be the magnetic flux linked with the coil and E be the induced EMF in that coils. Therefore, induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux, nothing but E is directly proportional d phi by dt. Therefore, E equal to proportional sign can be replaced by the other constant E equal to K into d phi by dt, where K is the proportional constant. Therefore E equal to d phi by dt, here K equal to 1 when phi in Weber, theta in E in volt, and time t in time, all this quantity in same unit. Therefore the value of K equal to 1. Then we get E equal to d phi by dt. If we combine this expression with the Faraday's first law, then we get E equal to minus d phi by dt. This Faraday's first law combined with the second law, where we get E equal to minus d phi by dt, where negative sign indicates E and d phi by dt nothing but the changing magnetic flux opposed to each other. This discussed in later in second law. That law is the Lenz law. Lenz law मध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत induced EMF opposed to the changing magnetic flux. These are discussed in details in Lenz law. If phi be the flux linked with single turn of coil, then the coil has, let us consider the coil has nth turn, then total flux linked with the coil is n phi. म्हणजेच कॉइलकडे एक टर्न असेल, then the phi be the single flux linked with that the coils. Suppose coil has the n turn, then that the total flux linked with that coil are n phi. So you get E equal to minus d into n phi by dt, where n is the constant. Out of the differentiations we get E equal to minus n d phi by dt. These law also called as flux rules. These are the second law किंवा Faraday's second law of electromagnetic inductions. This law also called as flux law. Okay, goodbye, thank you, see you on tomorrow in second videos.